UCLA Bruins win for the fourth time in a row. A 196-625 is a modest number by their standards. Arizona State, a young team that continues to grow behind half a freshman roster and a couple of seniors out front like Taylor Alex, who's rolling on the floor. Once again, she posts a 9-9.
Well, she is very dynamic on this event. Look at the height. She goes almost out of the screen and yet still puts on a beautiful landing to that double Arabian. Finished her routine with a front 1.5 twist, and that 9.9 was the highest score of the evening for ASU.
Caitlin Ohashi was injured on balance beam 4 weeks ago. She returned today and posts a season high. I think she's okay.
That's right. She put up a new dismount in this routine, back handspring layout, step out to that full twist. And more than anything, I think it was good for her confidence.
UCLA is the #1 team in the country on the floor, and the #1 individual floor performance belongs to Sadiqa Bynum. Once again, 9.95.
And that's why right there, big tumbling, open double layout, last pass, a combination front through to double tuck. She was clean on every single landing and fun to watch.
Arizona State goes home now to face Penn State on Friday. UCLA is home next Sunday in a tri-meet against Stanford and Georgia. You can see that one right here on the network. Bruins dance their way to 5-1 in Pac-12.